Hello students, today we are going to study the remaining topics of chapter 4 of artificial intelligence of the knowledge data mining tool. So today we will see that how we can draw the workflow or agent for the image visualization, means for the computer vision. So today we trained our agent with the different images of the cats and dogs, and after that we do the classifications on the images. So for that, let us open the Orange Data Mining tool. So this is the Orange Data Mining tool. So let me go through uh, where I have saved my workflow. Okay. So this is chapter 4. So this is the computer vision. This is the workflow which I have saved. Okay. System. Let me open once again. So it will asking that we need the image analytics of the Orange tree to install to train our AI agent to the images. So we'll click on this install add-ons, and after that it will okay. So that is the image analytics here. Okay. Now we import the images. So students, let me come on the PDF, then I'll be able to understand. Okay, here. So we are on this. We're talking about this one. We're talking on this one. Computer vision with Orange. So we have installed this image analytics add-on. So how to install this already I have taught you in the class also. Go on the options tab and then find the add-ons and select the image analytics, check mark image analytics and click on OK. It will be done. Now with this given link you download this image set which I have already downloaded and stored in my computer folder. You can see here by the name in the chapter for dogs and cat images. So we need this folder dog and cat images. So we'll upload basically these images for training. So let us go on the workflow and I'll show you in this import images. So when you double click on this import images, here already see the folder is all there. Okay, so it is already uploaded in my sections. So you have to upload it through this browse a folder. After that, image viewer we want to see the images and join with the connector. When you double click on the image viewer, you see all those images which I have uploaded for the training is visible here. See different dogs and cat images. Total 30 images are there. Okay. So now we go on the after that image. If we visualize the image, we see the image with the image viewer. We have seen the image viewer widget we added on the canvas, and we are seeing the all the 30 images by double clicking on the image viewer. Now we embed the images. So what is this image embedding? Basically, see here the data image embedding is done with the zeros and one. It is converted into the zeros and one digital file, or we can say a binary file. So we need to transform our the raw images into the numerical representation, means zeros and one, using image embedding. So basically what we do, we transform the raw images into numerical representation using image embeddings. So image embedding is it, we go to input the images widget. This widget sends the information to the server and computes the embeddings remotely using a deep neural network. So this done with the help of the deep neural network. We send to the server, and after that server after converting will give back to the this our digital image. So this is trained on the millions of real life images, how to convert images into digital. Now this is so we go on the image embedding. So we will bring the image embedding and we will add it to the here. Okay, image embedding. Okay, so what we have done, we added this image embedding. So that's this image embedding we will add over here, and this images will pass to this image embedding. Okay. So after this, we compute the similarities. So we'll compare the embeddings of the images and compute their similarities. Means distance widget to, we connect the distance widget to the image embedding output, and double click on the distance widget and select the cosine options. This cosine option basically double click on the distance widget and select the cosine option which works best with the images. So these options work best with the images. Cosine option work best with the images. So we'll compute the similarities in the images. We'll do the clustering. So okay, we'll go on this distances. So we'll take the distances in the unsupervised learning. Where you get unsupervised learning, you get the word distances. So you bring these distances, okay, and pass this to this. Distances we passed. Now after that, we do the hierarchical clustering. So we pass the distance matrix to the hierarchical clustering algorithm by dragging dropping on the widget to the canvas. So we bring down this hierarchical clustering. Okay, so from here only we get the unsupervised learning with the hierarchical clustering. So we pass it over here, hierarchical clustering. Okay. Now double click on the hierarchical clustering. What you get? You'll observe here a dendrogram where the images are grouped on their similarities. Where similar cat images, similar dog images, it will be make a group. Here see cluster of cat images, all are cat images. So out of 30 images, image 4, 10, 12, 4, C7, 13, C11, all the cat images. And this is the cluster of dog images. In that also some similarities, 8 and 7, these are similar images. Clustering is done. So let us click on this hierarchical clustering, and you can see this. This is the similarity clusters, and these all are the same images. These all are the same images, similar images. We can see. Okay. So now we move on. So we visualize and interpret with the help of the image viewer. So when we connect this with the image viewer, so we are going to do what? This one, image viewer. So again we take one another image viewer. I will pass this to the, and after that when you click, you will be able to observe these clusters. So first of all, in this we have to select the cluster. Suppose I have selected this cluster. Suppose this cluster is selected. Now I want to see this cluster images of the cat group. So in the image viewer, you can see that cluster C12, 15, 13. These are the similar images of that clusters, looking like similarity you see. See how the machine is predicting. Yeah, and you can see in the images also similarities are there, patterns are similar, sizes are already are similar. So this is the prediction. See, this is the machine is trained. Now in the hierarchical clustering, now we are going to see take this cluster, take this cluster of images. Now you this is the cluster of images. Okay, this cluster of images. See similarities are there. So how the machine is doing this classification? Okay, so we move ahead, students. So this is done through the unsupervised learning, and here you are able to see all those results which are shown over here that also you can view there. So with the orange images analytics capabilities, we can unlock the potential of image data and perform the sophisticated analysis and machine learning tasks. So by leveraging the image embeddings and clustering algorithm, we can gain insights and make the informed decisions of the image data sets and pave the way for innovative application in various domains. This is a practical activity you perform at your home. Now, the next is student NLP, natural language processing with the orange data mining. So with the help of this NLP, we understand and learn from written words, like finding patterns in the documents. With the orange, we will do different tasks in the NLP, which we can help us in a lot of way, like analyzing and understand the text. So again, for this, we have to install another add-on, that is a text add-on. So already I have make this workflow of this text. I'll show you. So see, this is the text flow. Okay. So this is the text flow which I am showing with created corpus. So when you add on these options, we have to go on the options tab and then find the add-ons. Okay, already I have. So this here we find the text. See, already I have in my it is added. So I'm going to cancel it. Okay. So when you add on this text, so this buttons will get, this widget will get, text widget. So from this you take the widget create corpus. So create corpus. So this widget we have to add. So already I have added here this create corpus. So if you want to see, I can show you one more time. Basically. So in this create a corpus, here it is a corpus, and then you get the create corpus. So the corpus viewer. So we need a create corpus plus here create corpus. So this we need basically this. So when you double click on this, this will open, and here you have to type the document. Here you have to type the paragraph. So already I have typed. I am not going to do it. This I am showing you. And after that, you need a corpus viewer. So this corpus viewer will attach to view the text what you have typed. So see, when I click on this, you will be able to see this text I had typed here. NLP helps us understand and learn from the written words like finding patterns in documents. Okay, this will get the automation. Now here, if any text in this viewer, see if I type any word from here, I will take suppose 2. So it will show me that how many where 2 for there present. So see, 2 is appears one time. Okay, it's like this. So if I will type here like word like, how much times this like word appears? So see, like 2 times is highlighted in my document. So this helps you for the analysis. So 2 matches are there. Okay. Okay. So students I'm talking about, let us move on the PDF. So after this, you have to add this create corpus widget and type this text like here. This text is typed. So you have to type the text and double click on this create corpus. You'll get this document and type it here. After that, you visualize the text with the help of the corpus viewer. So add corpus viewer widget to canvas and connect with the output of the create corpus. And after that, double click on this create corpus and you'll be able to see this, the word what you have attached. That is visible. Or see it is typed here rabbit in turtle array. Wherever array are there, all it is visible in the document. Next, visualize the word frequency with the word cloud. Now, word frequency of this word in the word cloud. So we attach the word cloud visit, and the word cloud represents the word's frequency. This each word how many times appear. Here is the appear 22 times in this document. Full stop 14 times, e 10 times, turtle 8 times, 2 8 times, rabbit 6 times, comma 5 times. So the word which frequency is more, appear more times you see the. So it will here the size will be big in this word ring. The more times is there. Total 8 times. So size of the is more in the center. And least frequency words will be at the edge of the clouds. And size will be less. So here we find the word cloud visually represents the word frequency in a cloud format with more frequent words appearing larger, and the visualization provides an initial glimpse into the prominent themes or topics within the text. Now visualize the word frequency with the cloud word. So we pre-processing the text. Here you see comma, full stop, punctuators are also there. So if you want to remove the punctuators, use the pre-processed text visit, which will do the pre-processing, and after that add the output of this pre-process to the cloud. So let me go on the workflow here. Now here you can see the word cloud is added. Now I'll show you when double click on this word cloud. See the paragraph which I typed here in my also the appears maximum times. Frequency C4. Full stop 4 times, comma 5 times. So comma size you also see the pin, comma 5 pin, like this. 5 times. Orange 1 times, red. Documents 1 time. Now, when we added this pre-processed text, you'll see the output of the pre-processed text. It will be converted in the lowercase transformation. Remove accents. Regular expression stop words removed. Now see the output. Here no comma, no full stop. We need to see it. See it. Us 3 times, text 3 times, purpose 3 times. So frequency of the word is us, it is in the center, and text big size inches. Okay. So now this is the practical activity related to the NLP student that you do at the home. This is all for today for this students. So students are basically in this I will tell you that from this chapter many things are there, many important topics are there. So the application of the computer vision you focus more on that, and also focus on the suppose some other thing. Let me tell you some important topics from this part A. Part A, what you have to study and focus. Importance of eye contact in active listening, that you can study barriers to the effective verbal communications, role of feedback, some personality disorder you study that will help you along. Okay, so don't forget to study about the confusion matrix and how to make a data frame. These are the important questions which you have to practice. Go through about the topics feature engineering, you see the feature engineering and steps followed in the data preparations. So these things, these are the important topics which you have to focus for your exam. So best of luck for the exam, students. This is all for today. Thank you for your kind cooperation and attention.